Okay, as a review here for 5.7b, lines that are parallel have equal slopes. Okay, so for our three examples in this note section, it says write the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that is parallel to the given line and passes through the given point. So if it is going to be parallel, that means I'm going to take this original slope, which is 3, and I'm going to leave it the same. I'm going to keep it equal. So my slope is going to be 3, and my point is 1, 9. I need to write an equation using those two pieces of information. To do that, I need to use my y-intercept form. If this is my x and this is my y, I can plug that in. Let's rewrite this. M. I can plug that in and figure out what my b is. So when I do that, I get 9 equals 3 times x, which is 1, plus b. 9 equals 3 plus b. If I subtract 3 from both sides, I can get b by itself, and I get 6 equals b. Okay, so now I have my b and I have my m. I can write my final equation, which is y equals m, which is 3x plus b, which is 6. This equation right here I know is parallel to my original. Okay, number 2. Number 2, my slope, I want it to be the same as my equation above. So my slope is going to be negative 3 over 4. And my point is 4, negative 1. So this is my x and this is my y. So I'm going to plug that into my slope-intercept form. I get y equals mx plus b. Y is negative 1 equals m, which is negative 3 over 4 x plus b. Negative 3/4 times 4 is just a negative 3. Now when I move this 3 to the other side, I'm going to add positive 3 to both sides. I get negative 1 plus 3 is 2 on the left, and b is left on the right. So that means I have my b and my m. I'm ready to write my final equation, which is y equals mx plus b. Okay, one more example. 3x plus y equals 3. I cannot figure out the slope just from looking at this equation because it is not in slope-intercept form. Y is not by itself. So to get y by itself, I need to move everything to the other side. If I subtract 3x from both sides, I get y is equal to negative 3x plus 3. Now I can pull out my slope. My slope is negative 3. I want it to stay the same, so it's going to stay negative 3. And my point is 3, 5. So I have my x and my y. I'm going to go ahead and plug in all of the information I have. Y is equal to 5, m is equal to negative 3, x is equal to 3, and I'm trying to figure out b. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And I add 9 to both sides of my equation. I get 14 is equal to b. Now I have my b and my m. My final equation is y equals negative 3x plus 14.